Good evening, sir! Can I interest you in a stapler?
Wait, what?
You heard me right, a stapler! Come with me, little man! Now, this technology is quite revolutionary.
Wait, how are we outside?
Ha 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 ha! Now this combines a wide variety of new products, including the thumbtack, the paperclip, and many more! Now it comes in a wide variety of colors, including black, medium black, light black, shiny black, matte black, and finally orange. But that's not all! Now in the next 10 seconds, we'll throw in a free stapler, absolutely free, for $9.99.
How did I get up here?
Order now for the low price of your soul. Tax not included.
Why am I here? Why is this happening? I just want to be home.
No. So what are you waiting for? Call now.